going up home to live in green pastures where we shall live and die nevermore. Even the Lord will be in that number when we have reached that heavenly shore. Growing up home to live in green pastures where we shall live and die nevermore. Woo! Even the Lord will be in that number when we have reached that heavenly shore.
Hey everybody, welcome back. This is RT Living Free, and I owe you an explanation about what's been going on. First off, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is RT Living Free, and I make videos, photos, blogs, a bunch of stuff. So, to get to the point of this video, I have run into a bit of a rough patch with luck lately. Okay, in my last video, I said that I had bought a new van, a new box truck. It was incredible. It was going to be the center of the new content I was going to be making. It was going to be van building videos, van travel videos, what like minimalist van travel's like, what like working and living out of a box truck, all of this really cool stuff that I was really excited to make for you all, and something honestly I was excited to make for myself. This has been a dream of mine for years, getting to buy and move into a mobile home that I could build myself, customized to my own preferences, and be able to take anywhere I wanted to go and be able to work remotely. I've been working really hard to get there. When I bought that van, I was so excited to get started on that entire project. But that's not how things have turned out right now. So right after I bought that truck, I had drove it up from North Carolina up to New Jersey. And when I bought it first, it was driving fine. It was this big, beautiful 1990 Chevy 30 van, which was just it was a nice vehicle. That's all I really have to say about it. I liked it a lot. It had a good personality. I liked it. When I drove it, when I had bought it, it was driving fine. I checked it out. I looked at everything I could, and it seemed to check out everywhere. Then I got from North Carolina as far as Pennsylvania, and then in Pennsylvania, the engine rumbled furiously, and I had to pull off on the side of the highway. It was the middle of the night, and I couldn't get a mechanic to look at it until morning. So I had a tow truck, take it over to the nearest gas station, and I stayed in a hotel after that. The mechanic in the morning had looked at the vehicle and gave me the regrettable news that the engine was not salvageable. The engine had seized because the vehicle ran out of oil. So I had to move on from that vehicle. It kind of hurt. Kind of hurt in a lot of ways. I was really excited to build my next home in that. So the loss of that timeline that I had in my head was gone. I lost the money that I bought the vehicle with, and it was a sizable amount compared to what I own. Luckily, though, I still had my cargo truck, and that was down in North Carolina still. And I picked that up, I drove it up to New Jersey just fine. It drove wonderfully up to New Jersey. And shortly after that, that started giving me some funky engine trouble, but it was still working. So I figured, like, this is something I can fix. I can get my hands in this and we can resolve this. This is manageable. And just a few days ago, that stopped working. So I can't even get it to start now after all the work I did. I mean, I replaced the spark plugs, I replaced the distributor cap and the rotor, and I was trying to work out the timing for the vehicle and make sure that was all in tune, and I cleaned the carburetor. I did everything I could for that backfiring thing, and I don't know what's going to happen with that. It's in the shop right now. So that's going to be more money that I don't have to spend on it, and I don't know if it's going to come out okay. But I digress. Long story short is that I'm short on money right now, and buying a new van is not in the cards quite yet. By the way, if I've made you feel sad yet, go and hit that like button, and that'll make me feel happy, and it'll make you feel happy, and then we can be happy together, and it'll be better. It's going to be a lot better, so go hit that like button for both of us. But what's been happening right now is I've been hustling away, getting some money stashed away so I can get back to making true on that promise I made to you to make that van life content. That promise I made to myself about building that place for me to reside in. And so I've been hustling. I've been trying to make money here and there. I picked up handyman work again, and I started working with this contractor. It was great. I was getting regular hours every day, like every work day of the week. But there's drama there. The guy's going to jail in a few months, so I'm not going to be able to do that for very long. And also, he hasn't called me in like a week, so I haven't had work in a week. So there's like, I'm not getting money from there anymore. Wasn't much anyway. But on the side, I've also been doing some freelance work, writing blogs, doing video editing, all this stuff. I've been using Upwork for all this. And I'm really looking for some long-term remote work that I can do with a client or two, just to have some consistent income from there. The gist of what I'm trying to say is that the van life content is going to wait for a little longer. But I'm not going to stop making content, though. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to go back into my stash of old video, and I'm going to put together some of the videos that I meant to make from places like Alaska and other places. I've got a great video coming out on Wednesday about a 1-second knot you can use to save someone's life on a boat if they go overboard. It's my favorite knot by far, honestly. I really enjoy this video, and I love making it. You can look for more stuff coming from my channel on this main YouTube channel, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be dropping some cool stuff for you, I promise. It's not going to be van life stuff, but I think it's going to be interesting, I think it's going to be enjoyable, and I hope you really like it. Outside of publishing videos on this channel, I'm going to be writing more blogs on the blog page, which is rtlivingfree.com, and the link should be up there in the box, and you can check that out. I've also got my Instagram feed, and also I've started a Twitch page, which is kind of cool. I like Twitch as a platform. For any of you who have been out there and just you like my content, or just my personality clicks with you, Twitch is a great place where you can go enjoy live streams with your favorite content creators. It's pretty cool. So if you like Twitch and live streams, go and find my page at twitch.tv/rtlivingfree, and I'll see if I can squeeze in a link up there to that too. So, I hope I didn't bore you with that update, but if if you're feeling generous, this is the time to donate to my Patreon. Every supporter helps a lot, and I want to give a special shout out to Christian Nomad, my one and only Patreon right now. Just your support, even just the little bit of support that comes from people like you, just like dropping in the comments and just like the little monetary help, it's just like, it means the world to me, and I really can't thank you enough just for being a supportive person out there. So Christian Nomad, thank you. Genuinely, I appreciate you, and especially in these hard times. So that's my update. I'm sorry it wasn't happier or funnier or cooler. It's been a lot of excitement on my end, not a lot of adventure. Kind of a weird juxtaposition right there. But, if you haven't already, go subscribe, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notified when that like super cool life-saving knot video comes out on Wednesday. You can be one of the first people to see it. It will make sure that you don't miss it. And go check out the blog too. I'm writing some cool stuff. So that's all I got, folks. Look out for that new stuff coming up. This has been RT Living Free, and until next time, peace.
Those who have strayed were sought by the Master. He who once gave his life for the sheep. Well, on a mountain, still he is searching, bringing them in forever to keep. Going up home to live in green pastures, where we shall live and die nevermore. Woo! Even the Lord will be in that number when we have reached that heavenly shore.